J. Edgar Hoover and the feds, they spy from the sky. What happened sermons, they baptizing the lie, calling us the danger, but they cocking the lead. That's suits and war plans. J. Edgar Hoover and the feds. Fear of Moses with melanin leaves, so they hit for first, let the pipeline bleed. Jeff got locked, Gaddafi got blamed, Chicago flooded, but nobody named. Larry taught peace, uplifting the mind, so they caged him deep, left the cold behind. Not a gang lord, he's a threat to the frame, cause he organized love and they profit from pain. That's facts. COINTEL doctored the mission's face, from Reagan's stash to Trump's disgrace. Law and order, that's a game they play. They break the law, then block your way. Ain't justice, it's leverage.
J. Edgar Hoover and the feds got saints on a leash, preaching from the pulpit while they poison the peace. Smile in your face, then indict what you said. That's a glam with the blade. J. Edgar Hoover and the feds. Daily why the hood still broke. We break laws cause the laws made us choke. That's a quote. Crack in the veins, now it's Fenton scripts. Then they lock your mind while the dealer drips. Whole setup. Digital chains with invisible codes. Zip file justice in downloadable modes. Data don't lie but the filter do. One false click and they building a case on you. Excellence. Anti-Moses been in full effect. Any black leader get a target on the neck. Unity's illegal, knowledge is a threat. Organize your grief and they call it a set. Red dot logic. Yeah, the Hoover and the feds got hymns that rock, singing freedom while they tie the knot. Dress up the devil and they smile while it spreads. Feathers and wire. J. Edgar Hoover and the feds. 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 Oh baby, they glamorize the gallows. Hey, watch out the soul. They ain't just kicking doors, they whispered lies in ears. Didn't need bullets when betrayal appears. Flip the brother, plant the fear. Suddenly your comrade disappeared. Not just for hounds, but betrayers in the cage. Freedom ain't safe when the weak lose nerve, so she aimed at the ones who forgot we deserve. She ain't just pray, she posted up. George wrote gospel from a concrete pew. BGF birthed with a sold-out view. Jackson ain't died, he lit a fuse. Still teaching kings how to choose. That's cool. You fear a man who gon' unify pain, so you bait betrayal and trademark shame. They scared of minds that connect in the dark, so they sabotage light before it sparks. They pre-cancel hope. Harriet had stealing gospel in stride. Panthers had books and barrels and pride. They changed the laws when we followed the rules. Truth got shot while they sharpened their tools. Stay woke, stay armed, stay free. J. Edgar Hoover and the feds. J. Edgar Hoover and the feds. Yeah. Oh. J. Edgar Hoover and the feds got ghosts and cold, cuffed and lace, with a righteous robe you can't erase. Hoover